The quest for genuine blockchain interoperability is just getting, despite the fact that there are numerous blockchain networks that all alone are doing a ton to reform the monetary business. The way that they can't speak with one another and consistently share data is a major bottleneck to investigating the maximum capacity of these organizations. To that end, a few blockchains projects have been created to attempt to settle this issue. Quant organization is one of them. Quant adopts a somewhat unique strategy to accomplish blockchain interoperability. The organization permits different disseminated record advancements (DLTs) to convey and divide information among organizations, for example, blockchain. By the day's end, Quant is attempting to make programming answers for coordinate DLT and increment the utilization instances of these innovations. What is Quant? Quant organization is a London-based programming organization that means to tackle the blockchain interoperability issue. It does as such by making another convention layer on top of existing and future dispersed record innovations, DLTs, which will permit them to speak with one another and share information. This will permit ventures to accomplish full interoperability and effectively incorporate DLTs into their plans of action. Quant likewise assists with the advancement of new blockchain frameworks by giving interoperability arrangements. QNT is Quant's local symbolic, which is utilized as method for installment on the stage for different administrations, including expenses that are charged by the Overledger working framework to engineers or clients for exchanges on the organization. A definitive objective of the Quant organization is to end the absence of interoperability in the DLT area by utilizing the Overledger working framework to make another layer of the web where all DLTs can speak with one another. The organization was established by Gilbert Verdian in 2015 and has since developed to turn into a main voice in the DLT area. Quant QNT Value History. The Quant organization was established in 2015 by Gilbert Verdian. Quite a while later, around 2018, they presented two key items that put Quant on the radar of financial backers and the crypto local area. These are the Overledger working framework, the Quant token QNT. The possibility of Quant was motivated to some degree by the critical requirement for more productive DLTs and consistent interoperability in a few areas. In January, the 1.5 update was carried out, permitting the application to coordinate significant digital forms of money, including Bitcoin, Wave and Ethereum. Price-wise, Quant has had a wild ride since it started exchanging early August 2018. The coin started off in the market with an ICO that acquired around $11 million in subsidizing. Notwithstanding, in spite of the effective ICO, QNT exchanged on the low side until mid-2021, when it started getting forward movement. Towards the finish of August 2018, QNT exchanged at as low as $0.1636, despite the fact that its earliest realized cost is around 25 cents. In late September 2018, the coin crossed $1. Interestingly, this was immediately trailed by the $2 and $3 price tags in October, prior to coming to $4. Toward the beginning of May 2019, Quant started picking up speed in June 2019, where it momentarily went above $11. It then, at that point, encountered a negligible revision prior to getting again in August 2020. By mid-November 2020, the coin had crossed $15 per coin. Nonetheless, as referenced early, the most fascinating development started in 2021. This development was really all-inclusive and didn't lean toward Quant alone. By mid-February 2021, QNT was exchanging at above $44. There was some in the middle between, and afterward in mid-May, it hopped above $60, prior to dropping to as low as $30 toward the finish of May. Close to this time, the buyer market was debilitating and most cryptos were squashing. In any case, shockingly, QNT started ascending significantly higher. Toward the beginning of August 2021, the coin crossed $178 per coin and afterward dropped to $154.8 7 days after the fact. Nonetheless, towards the finish of August, Quant had raised to as high as $205.8 per coin, and afterward on September 11, 2021, it accomplished its unequaled excessive cost of $428.38. This was trailed by a staggering accident that sent QNT to as low as $266.42 towards the finish of September, and afterward further to $164.3 toward the beginning of December. There was a slight recuperation to around $206 towards the finish of 2021, yet the coin dropped once more and finished the year at $178.33. Quant value expectation for 2023 gets going 2023 with a speedy forecast that could take QNT to as high as $622 in mid-September. In any case, from that point, the development will dial back, with Quant dipping under the $600 point and shutting the year at around $581.19. Obviously, there are a few moderate and genuinely negative expectations. For example, Percepredictant.net predicts that Quant could go as high as $265.1 in 2022 and $377 in 2023. Then again, value expectations will end 2022 at $187.55, despite the fact that it could go as high as $216.15 per coin in September. In 20,223, Computerized Coin Cost predicts that Quant will begin the year at $242.35 per coin and close at a low cost of $220.16. However, could cross $248.03 in September. Quant value forecast in 2024 and 2025. In 2024 and 2025, we actually see a great deal of energy from a few cost expectations. Obviously, in the following 3 to 4 years, we anticipate that Quant should be considerably more significant than it is today. The token has proactively filled massively somewhat recently, and on the off chance that it experiences another impetus, we could see some explanatory cost spikes. Wallet financial backer is as yet sure that Quant will do very well in 2024 and 2025 too. The site predicts that QNT will start off 2024 at around $586.38 and end 2023 at $823.51. Before the seconds over month, Wallet financial backer predicts that the coin would have outperformed $600 per coin and afterward crossed the $700 cost in late June. The upswing could proceed, and in September, Quant could reach $800 prior to shutting the year at $713.56. Or as high as $823.51. Governor Capital likewise comes near QNT, arriving at $1K in 2024. Yet because of the unpredictability in its forecasts, Quant battle going above $900. As per Governor Capital, the greatest cost QNT could accomplish in 2024 will be around $918 in December. The coin could experience various bottlenecks that will keep it from coming to $1,000 per con. These can be anything from a bear market, terrible media inclusion, to generally bad market feeling. Notwithstanding, in 2025, Governor Capital is positive that Quant will rapidly cross $1,000 per coin around the finish of April. It will then, at that point, close the year at as high as $1,287.62. Wallet financial backer additionally accepts that Quant will close 2025 around this reach, in spite of the fact that its forecast is somewhat lower at $1,074.03. Not surprisingly, we see a straight direction with the coin for the most